Hello everyone. In this today's video lecture, we are going to learn how to solve the linear equations having the variable on both sides. So let's see the first example. That is 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. Let's have the solution. First, we will write the example as it is. 2x minus 3 equal to 2. Now, what is the next step? See there. So let's transpose the variable terms on one side and constant terms on another side. For that sake, let us understand first what are the variable terms and the constant terms. As we have the equation here, 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. In this example, 2x and x, these are the variable terms. Means in the simple words you can say numbers and letters involved. And another is there, that is minus 3 and plus 2. These are the constant terms which involved only numbers. So as we seen here, we have to take the variable terms one side and the constant term one side. So what I will do, I will collect this 2x and x together. Let me repeat it little. It was here 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. So what we will do, I will collect this 2x and this x together and this minus 3 and this 2 together. So I can write it like this. 2x is here already as it is. So I will take this x this side. So what will happen? It will become yours subtraction because it is here in the addition. So it will become yours minus x is equal to, this 2 is already there when this x is transported. So 2 is there already, I can write, and this minus 3 I will take this side as we told already. So what will happen? This minus will become yours plus there. So it will become yours plus 3. So we have the answer as 2x minus x. We can write as x is equal to, as it is, 2 plus 3 we can write as 5. So this is the solution of this given equation. Let's come to the next example. So the second example is 3m plus 4 equal to 6m minus 2. Same thing we have to do here. The equation is given as 3m plus 4 is equal to 6m minus 2. I will collect the variable terms one side and the constant term one side. So what I will do, I will keep this constant term, that is 4, as it is here, and this another constant term minus 2 I will take this side. So what will happen? It will, so it is in the subtraction, it will become here addition, that is your plus 2. And when this 2 has transported, the 6m is remain here already, so that you can write as it is 6m, and this 3m will be transposed to this side. So what will happen? So it will become minus 3m. So we will have the equation as 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 is equal to sign as it is, and 6m minus 3m is equal to yours 3m. So I will have the equation as 6 equal to 3m. Now I will transpose the 3 as we have done in the previous examples. So this 3 in the multiplication will become, when it will be go this side, will become division. So what will happen? It is 6 divided by 3 equal to m. So that's why 3 ones are 3 twos are. So I will write here m equal to 2. This is the solution of this given example. Let's come to the next example. That is 5 cube plus 5 is equal to 4 cube plus 3. Let me once again. That is 5 cube plus 5 is equal to 4q plus 3. So the same method which we have done for the previous examples. Let's collect the variable term one side. So 5q is already there this side. So I will transpose this 4q this side. So it is in the addition will become subtraction, that is minus 4q is equal to 3. I will keep here as it is when the 4q already left. So I will take this 5 as it is here this side. So it was here in the addition will become as subtraction. So we will solve this. 5q minus 4q equal to 1q, that is you can write only q, and this 3 minus 5 we will write as minus 2. So this is the solution of this given equation. Let's come to the next. Now we have one little different example. Actually nothing different, just only the fraction are involved in this instead of the whole number. So what we will do here, while the fractions are involved in the linear equations, the first thing we try to do it to eliminate the denominator of the given fractions. So how to do this one? It is very simple there. So the equation is given as it is looking here. 5x, I will highlight this. 5x plus 7 divided by 2, that is 5x plus 7 upon 2 equal to 3 by 2x minus 14. So what we will do, we will remove this 2 denominator and we will convert this equation in the simplest form. So what will happen? So to do this, we will multiply by 2 on the both sides. So while you are multiplying 2 on both sides, we have to multiply each term there. So what will happen? Each term on both sides will be multiplied by 2. So the first term 5x multiplied by 2. In the same way, next term 7 by 2 will be multiplied by 2. Next it is 3 by 2x will be multiplied by 2 and 14 will be multiplied by 2 there. So if we operated this, what will happen? I will write here like this. So 2 into 5x. So what we will get the term? We will get the term as 10x. Next it is 2 into 7 divided by 2 is there, that is 7 upon 2. So what will happen? This 2 will be cancelled with this 2 because here it is nothing, means 1 is there. So numerator and denominator can cancel. So you will get as 7. Then next what it is there? 3 divided by 2 x was there into 2. So what will happen? I will show you here. Into 2, this side I will show. So what will happen? 2 will be cancelled. It will be remaining as 3x. And next what was there? It was 14 was there. So it will be multiplied by 2. So it will become 28. So we will have the simplest form of this all terms as first is 10x, next 7, then next 3x and next 28. So we will have the equation as 10x plus 7 is equal to 3x minus 28. Now we have very simple example, simple equation, we can solve it. So what will happen? So let's solve it. 10x plus 7 is equal to 3x minus 28. I will take it once again. 10x plus 3 is equal to 10x plus 7 is equal to 3x minus 28. So here what we can do, again the same thing, variable one side, constant term one side. So I will do as 10x minus 3x. It is in the addition will become as subtraction, and minus 28 is already there when the 3x left. So this 7 will become this side, will become as minus 7. So we will get as 10x minus 3x equal to 7x is equal to minus 28 minus 7 equal to, we will get as minus 35. So x equal to, we will get as minus 35 divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7 fives are 7 fives are. So what will happen? X equal to minus 5 is the answer. Well, this was today's examples. We will meet in the next video lecture. Thank you very much.